Hey there, it's the Cardboard Lord again, and today I'm making the Infinity Stones without resin. It's super cheap and super simple. Start by coloring some aluminum foil with Sharpies. These will be the colors of your Infinity Stones. I'm going to take some of these crystal clear hot glue sticks and make little puddles of hot glue over the colored foil. I found that one stick of hot glue will give you around 3 Infinity Stones, but the Mind Stone ended up taking a whole stick itself. Cut the pieces apart from each other. Now cut each individual stone out. Now you can trim down the stones to the size you need. I pulled out the Sharpies again and colored the outside of the stones. Now your Infinity Stones are done. You can't tell on camera, but the foil gives a cool reflection thing, making them seem like they are slightly glowing. I glued them onto my Infinity Gauntlet that I show how to make in another video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and share this video. Also subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any new content. Thanks. Bye.